Hey guys, this is Danks87. I've had quite a few requests to modify the magnetic power-up to give it a repel as well as a push. So here it is. This gives it quite a sharp push. It can be used without even picking them up first and manipulate even more. I've got to agree, this gives it so much more potential. So for this you're going to need a tag sensor, a follower, a timer and a controlinator, as well as the magnetic power-up from the previous tutorial. Okay, so here's our power-up and our broadcast microchip. What we're going to do is we're going to open up the blaster handle and we're going to add in a controlinator. This controlinator needs to be set to receive from the nearest player. Then we're going to add in a timer inside the controlinator. Set this timer to be a countdown timer of 0.5 seconds. Then attach the left, so L1, into the timer and reset the timer. Then what we want to do is we want to get our tag, and we're going to name this tag Mag Repel. So I'm going to call it Blue Mag Repel. Then attach the timer into the tag. And that is us done with the power-up itself. We're going to move on to the broadcast microchip. So inside here is all of our old logic from the previous tutorial. We're going to keep that, we're going to move it to the side. Now we're going to add in a tag sensor. We want its range to be around 20 and we want it to sense the new tag, so Mag Repel, Blue Mag Repel. Then we're going to get our follower. We want this to be around 10 speed and a little bit of in-out movement. Full strength. The trigger radius is irrelevant. We want this to be a flee, not a follow. And we also want it to flee from Mag Repel. Then we want to attach the tag into the follower. And then we want a NOT gate and attach the tag into the NOT gate. Then we are going to get our timer and set it to around 2, and we want it to be a count up timer. Then we want to attach the NOT gate into the count up timer, the timer into the activation of the microchip, and the tag sensor into the reset of the timer. Now we simply save our new power-up and we can now go down and test. And as you can see, everything is working perfectly. Now on a side note, I've been asked how I get my blaster handle to react to when I pull the trigger down for it to spin. Now this is done by using this method. So we use a object animation tweaker. I put it up to 1000% and it needs to be speed scale as its input. And if you attach it then to a timer, which goes up and down, in and out, then attached to your trigger, it then increases its speed as you hold the trigger down. Reduces it when you let it go. And that's it, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and keep tuned for more. Cheers, guys.